with the growl so loud. Rain falls heavy like a weeping shroud. Shadows dance where the lightning strikes. The storm is breathing alive tonight. Deep rain sound is pounding the ground. Thunder rolls, no peace to be found. Deep rain sound is pulling me under. Heartbeats echo the crash of thunder. Secrets to the wind, every drop a story. Where does it begin? The air is electric, it hums and it shakes. The world feels alive as the silence breaks. Boom goes the sky, boom in my chest. This chaos feels like it knows me best. Water floods my soul, the rhythm's wild.